Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can easily fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your G2 AliExpress speaker. So, first you have to head over settings and then connect devices. On iPhone, head over settings and Bluetooth. On your Android phone, scroll down to connection preferences and open Bluetooth. Disable Bluetooth now. And now we have to turn off our speaker using this switch. We have to move it to the right. Now we have to wait 10-20 seconds, I'd say at least, and then we can turn our Bluetooth and speaker back on and check if we can pair. If you are not paired with any other device with our speaker will be in pairing mode and we could connect to our speaker. If you are connected to your speaker with another phone, you have to disconnect your phone from your speaker before pairing a new phone with that. And that should be it. Goodbye.